Hello class, this video is a response to question 127 on Piazza regarding Simulink versus gold data out. There was some confusion how to get the data out of the Simulink file. I'm going to show you how to do it. You can use your own MATLAB on your the laptop, or you can connect to web server, which is what I'm doing. You open the browser, go to class website, click on project 4 WS instructions, click on download link under section 3 materials, and then ask you to save the file. Go ahead and save it somewhere, and then after it's saved you can click and open it. As you see, it's called project4student.zip. I'm gonna unzip it on the same folder with the same name, project for students, project for student, and I'm using HDL coder OFDM FFT EML 1024B. It is not A, it is B as Bob. I'm not gonna open it here. I'm gonna just minimize the window, minimize the browser. MATLAB R 2015B. Let me open the MATLAB. MATLAB 2015B is opening up. Wait for a couple more seconds for the tool to open up. In the meanwhile, let's check the Piazza. There were some other questions that I can't find, but it was asking about how to get the error fixed that I'm going to cover in this video. Alright, so let's open the file that we just downloaded, project 4 student 1024B. If I click on this guy, it takes 10 seconds probably to get open. Yes, so the error part was in question 118, that some people say they are receiving some errors. I'm going to cover that questions in this video as well. Alright, so after you open the file, this is what you see, the connections and everything. As you see, there's a counter. If I double click on this guy, it's a 2-bit counter, meaning it goes from 0, 1, 2, 3. And there's a buffer, and make sure that switch by default is connected to the counter. It's not connected to a random generator. We don't want the random generator, we want the counter. If I go ahead and click on run, it takes a couple seconds and I will receive the error that most of you received and reported here. Still running, takes a couple more seconds, and hopefully by now I should get something. Alright, so that's the error that all of you got. The tool is confused, we don't know what to do, and we stop right here. But luckily it says go ahead and check the upgrade advisor. So we close this window, we go back to this window and open the upgrade advisor. If you click on this guy, it takes while it says warning dialog, it's newer. You can just click OK here and ignore it and wait for the upgrade advisor to open up. Alright, so the upgrade advisor is up. You don't need to change anything. You can just click on run selected checks right here. If you click here, it runs the process, and just need to sit back and wait for the tool to fix the issues for you. And you probably can see something gonna happen right here. You're gonna run the tool to make sure it's working. Yep, it's happening. Okay, after this step we are good to go. And then I'm going to show you where to see the 0120, 0123, 0123. Alright, okay, the process is done. This guy is back. We just close it. We close this window. We go back to the tool. We trace the data. The data is coming to a buffer, going through the switch, coming back, going to OFDM transmitter, and then right after OFDM transmitter, the white Gaussian noise is not enabled, so we don't add white Gaussian noise, and the data goes to a buffer and saved to a file. Let me run the design again, and then when I run it, keep a look at the workspace right here. Alright, so this file right here is called SIMOut, and you can find it right here, SIMOut. And the data from SIMOut is going to OFDM receiver. It goes through two different paths, one FFT and then one FFT optimized for HDL. This guy goes through some steps and then gets saved in recovered data 1. For this branch, it goes and recovered in recovered data 2, right? So the data is coming here, go through this through some tools and get delays because of each step, but the results are being saved in recovered data 1 and recovered data 2. We have both of them right here, recovered data 1, recovered data 2. Let's open up one of them. If I click on recovered data 1, double click, you see the data. This is the result. Let me go forward, and then if I scroll down and past the delays, here you can see that my data is 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, and it keeps repeating. So this is the output, and I'm sure you guys can go ahead and check other files and make sure what you need to save from here and use in your demo. Thank you. Bye.